When we think of handheld gaming devices, we probably imagine something small and portable that lets us play PC games on the go. But what if we say that you can get a laptop-sized screen in a gaming handheld? Yes, the OneXPlayer X1 is a one-of-a-kind gaming device that brings nearly like a laptop-sized display in a portable format. This is a 3-in-1 device since it can be used as a gaming handheld, a tablet, or a laptop with the optional keyboard cover. You might be wondering what the hell is going on here, what it actually is, and why the screen size is so damn big. Relax. Just watch the video to get a quick rundown on what makes the OneXPlayer X1 so unique. Over the past few years, handheld gaming PCs have featured screens ranging from generally 7 to 9 inches. However, OneXPlayer, a Chinese company, chose to go a different route by opting for a large 11-inch display and adding extra versatility to the device. To be honest, the OneXPlayer X1 is primarily a Windows tablet, so let's take a closer look at how it stands without the extras. Size-wise, it's definitely not compact, especially when compared to more popular Windows tablets. It is more compact than the Surface Pro 9 due to the smaller display, but it's notably thicker at 13 millimeters. For comparison, Microsoft's Surface Pro 9 is just 9.3 millimeters thick. The difference is quite noticeable. While it can be used in tablet mode, it's not the most comfortable to hold or use for extended periods. It also weighs 769 grams. As a console, it is quite weighty, and lengthy gameplay can result in discomfort when holding onto something so heavy. We're still looking at the X1 as a gaming handheld first and foremost, so let's talk about the controllers. These come included with the device, but only work when physically connected to the X1 out of the box. If you wish to use them wirelessly, you'll need to purchase a separate controller connector, which makes them feel more like typical gaming controllers. The consoles are quite light, and being very lightweight is a plus, especially when dealing with a tablet that's already bulky. They also have a comfortable shape that should fit well in your hands. Since this is positioned as a 3-in-1 device, it's essential to highlight the keyboard and touchpad. That said, the keyboard accessory isn't included in the package, and you'll need to buy it separately for $79. The X1 offers a surprising number of ports, one of the reasons why it places itself as a versatile device. It features side connectors for its detachable controllers, and on the bottom, pogo pins are available for an optional keyboard attachment that effectively transforms it into a laptop. In addition, the left side includes 2 fully functional USB 4 ports, which enable the connection of an external GPU or docking station for added connectivity options. Meanwhile, the right side houses a USB Type-A port and a microSD card reader, which allows you to expand the storage capacity for your games and other files. Now, we can't say that the big display on this device is a gimmick. The screen looks actually good. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600, the visuals look incredibly crisp, and the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth gaming experience. OneXPlayer claims the X1's display can hit up to 540 nits of brightness. They are not wrong, though. You can expect performance from this display that's nearly on par with a gaming laptop's display. Interesting fact is the X1 is featuring Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 155H processor. That's a powerful one. The Meteor Lake CPU is equipped with a fairly capable integrated Intel Arc GPU. Theoretically, if we focus solely on 3D Mark scores, it might appear to be the best gaming handheld on the market. However, Intel's Alchemist GPU architecture is still not fully trustworthy when it comes to delivering stable performance across a variety of games. At times, it can compete with the Radeon 780M found in Ryzen 7 7840U or Z1 Extreme chips, but other times it noticeably underperforms. The storage options deserve appreciation. It lets you upgrade the RAM up to 64 GB and the SSD up to 4 TB. Those are huge numbers. So, is the OneXPlayer X1 worth buying? Till now, it's hard to answer this question. The 3-in-1 branding might fail if it's too uncomfortable to carry around as a tablet. Given then that, you have to buy the keyboard additionally. On the flip side of the coin, the display quality and storage options may win the hearts of some. But what will force you to think twice is the price. It's freaking $1189, almost the price of a very good gaming laptop. So, would you buy the OneXPlayer X1 for that price? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.